Okay, let's hit CDs and DVDs just really quick here. This is another technology that's being phased out. It's getting more and more common where you used to have a CD or DVD to install a piece of software. Now we're seeing just being able to download an exe or an image file from the internet. And where we used to try and back things up and share things using a writable CD, now we use thumb drives. So this is, it's phasing out, and honestly, my laptop does not have a DVD drive, and I don't miss it most of the time. Let's just have a quick tour of how you would do that in a virtual machine if you needed to. This is my virtual machine here, and let's look at settings. I'm gonna look at the hardware again. So this is the CD or DVD drive that the virtual machine thinks it has a real drive, right? And if I had the virtual machine powered down, you could see that I could select this and pick from a list of, actually a non-existent list in this case, of DVD or CD drives. Whatever your machine has available, it will see that, and it'll list it here. The other option, and the thing that I use much more often, is what they'll call an ISO image file. So an image file contains all the information that a CD would have, and then it also contains the information that's necessary to emulate that CD. So you can think of it sort of like a folder with a bunch of files in it, plus anything that an installer might be picky about when it wants to think it's coming off a CD. The image file can emulate that. So in this case, I still have my installer disk in the drive, and I could browse and pick any other ISO file that I have, and I could install things off of that. Obviously, if you're not interested in either one of these solutions, you don't have something physical local, and you don't have an ISO image file, you can always just get a USB CD or DVD drive, and that will work just like any other USB device. You could plug it into your host and have access to it here, or you could plug it into your virtual machine and have access to it directly. So we'll just keep that short and sweet. I hope that helps.